Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix flashlight missing in iPhone control center. So how you can fix that. Now if I show you my control center, as you can see there is no flashlight option. All other options are available but the flashlight is missing. So if you want to open your flashlight the basically in the control center, so how you can fix that. To do this, first of all, from the upper right corner scroll down and open the control center, and once you have opened the control center, just keep clicking at any empty area in the control center. And once you click here, as you can see, you will see all these options. Like if you want to remove any of the current options, you can remove it. Just click on this minus button. Otherwise, just click on add a control. At the bottom section you can see add a control, so just click here. And once you click here, as you can see, there are multiple options. And at the top, as you can see, along with the text size, there's an option called flashlight. If you want to add flashlight, just click on flashlight and that will be added just like that. So if you want to change the position, simply you can drag it and position it anywhere, if wherever you want to place. Once you have placed it, that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it. But make sure that your flashlight is not in the bottom two lines, because these lines will be missing. So make sure to place it above, and that is how easy you can bring it back.